Hey everybody, this is Dr. Fryer, and today is September the 28th, 2022. I'd like to talk about creating a filter for your Gmail to manage your Google Classroom notifications. And we're going to use a practice student account to do this. And so I'm going to go ahead and switch over to that account. So this is the assignment in Google Classroom that I've created for students. And what we're going to be doing is creating a filter. So right now in this account, we have messages that are coming from Google Classroom. And what I'd like to do is only leave the messages that are private comments. Like you can see one here that's a private comment. And the rest of them I want to put over here in a separate place. So in order to do this, we're going to create a filter. And there's two ways to get to this. Here at the top of the screen where it searches, and this has changed since I recorded this for the first time a couple years ago, you can now click right here on Show Search Options, and you can get to this menu. What we're going to do is we're going to search for the word classroom because that is in all the messages from Google Classroom. But very importantly, we're going to say, I don't want to include messages that have private comment in them because we're going to leave those in the inbox. So I'm going to do those two things, and I'm going to create a filter, okay? And on this menu, we're going to check three boxes. We're going to say skip the inbox, apply a label, and so I'm going to click on labels, make a new label, and I'll just call it Google Classroom Notifications. And then at the bottom, I'm going to say apply it to the existing conversation. So when I click create filter, this is going to move messages from my inbox into this label. Now, I'm not going to save this one right now. I'm going to show you the other way to get into this menu. In addition to being able to click right here on this search options here at the top in the search Gmail window, you can also click on the settings wheel, I guess, cog. I don't know what that's called, but it's next to your waffle. And you click on settings and you say see all settings. And you're going to see a lot of different tabs up here. We're going to get off of general and click on the fifth one that says filtered and blocked addresses. And this is also where we can choose to create a new filter. So again, we've got to type this exactly right because this is literally a software bot that we're creating. It's going to run all the time, and it's going to be doing these things, filtering our mail as it comes in. So when it's from, parentheses, classroom, in parentheses, and then doesn't have private comment. All right, we've got to get all of that exactly right. When we click create filter, we're going to skip the inbox. We're going to apply the label to put it in Google Classroom notifications, and we're also going to apply it to those existing conversations. Now, when I click create filter, it will take a little while for this to apply, but you're going to see this hopefully change so that my inbox is going to have fewer messages in it. Look at that. It now has 6 in the inbox. And down here in my Google Classroom label, I've got my messages here that are just notifications, okay? So these are all notifications from Google Classroom, but then here in my inbox, look at that. I have a private comment. Now this particular assignment, I wrote the word private comment in, and that's why this one showed up. But when somebody adds a private comment, it's going to stay in the inbox. So I hope that has been helpful to you. You can find more resources related to media literacy on my website, lessons.wesfryer.com. Good luck. Enjoy your superpower of being able to create email filters, and hopefully that's going to allow you to better manage the email that you do receive.